I created an AI clone of myself that films content for me. Don't believe me? This video is an AI generated version of myself. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can do this for yourself in just 10 minutes. All right, so this is seriously me. That clip before was actually my AI generated clone. Usually I'm skeptical of these AI clone softwares, but I'm not gonna lie, I actually cannot believe how good this is. This technology seriously might take my job as a YouTube creator. However, I think if you are smart about adopting this technology, there is some massive opportunity at stake. There are going to be loads of people who think this is stupid and that AI influencers will never be a thing, but I think we seriously need to pay attention to this. I'm going to show you how to make one yourself, so let's get into it. All right, so that AI clone that you saw of myself was generated using Synthesia, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use this to actually create a clone of yourself, and I'm going to show you all the features within inside of this platform because it is pretty damn mind-blowing. So as you can see, it says turn text to video in minutes. And there's a lot of different ways we could use this. We could use this to create slideshows like this. We could have this thing create presentations for us, or we could just use an AI avatar like I created in that first clip of this video to create talking head videos for us. We're gonna kind of dive into the versatility in this video. So you could even have your AI avatar go to your Zoom meetings, which is pretty crazy if we think about it. That's pretty cool. There's a whole bunch of different avatars that we could use, so we don't necessarily need to clone ourselves if we don't want to. If we don't want to use our face or our voice, we could use the AI avatars that are already on the Synthesia platform, which is pretty cool. Another cool feature is we could actually translate this to any language. You could write your text in what you want and it'll automatically clone that voice in a different language. So for instance, I could type in some sentence or a paragraph I wanted to say, and it'll actually say it in German or French or Spanish or any of these different languages. So that is really cool and presents a lot of opportunities if you're trying to touch a market that is not your natural speaking language. So I could talk for hours about all the different features inside of Synthesia, but in this video, I want to focus on creating an AI avatar to create YouTube videos like my videos, so we could actually use this as an influencer and make content for us on autopilot. I'm inside of my Synthesia account, so if you do not have an account, make sure to sign up. There's a link in the description of this video. What we want to do is we want to come down to, on the left-hand side, avatars over here. As you can see, I have my avatar that I created, and we want to actually create a personal avatar. You could use avatars on the platform. We can add our logo. We can customize it however we want, and we could actually add different kind of locations that we have our avatar in. As you can see, this is like somebody in a park walking, somebody on a couch, all this stuff. So we could get really creative with this. But again, for this use case, I want to show you how to create a personal avatar, and this is just going to be a real simple tutorial to show you how to do so. So click create, and if you want, you could take a look at this. It's kind of a demo of what you're trying to build. But what I use is I actually went ahead. I personally clicked this upload footage option here. You could just go ahead and use your webcam, but I wanted to actually emulate the exact videos that I use for my YouTube, and I use a nice camera. I have a cool setup. So that is what I did, and I'm gonna show you how to do that now. So basically what I did is I took this video of myself that I filmed. It's about a minute video of me talking. You wanna make sure not to use too many hand gestures because the AI could kind of get a little wonky with that. But as you can see, it's just this perfect setup. I got nice lighting, all of this stuff. I'm gonna play this for you so you can see kind of what it is. Have you ever wished your web browser could think like ChatGPT? In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate the ChatGPT search extension, allowing you to use ChatGPT. So essentially, I'm not going to play that full thing, but it's a video of me talking for a minute straight and using a little hand gestures so it can kind of add that to our AI avatar. And all I did is I clicked upload. I'll do it again for the sake of this. Ensure that the environment is well lit. Click next. And then we actually need to give our consent. So let's do this now. My name is Mesarich. This recording will be used on the Synthesia platform to create a digital avatar that looks and sounds like me. The passcode is 426240. So then we want to agree to this. We could submit our recording, and it's now uploading our footage. And this should take about a day or so. About, like, for me, I think it took about 13, 14 hours for it to actually finish after I uploaded the video. And then afterwards, we could come back to our platform and we will have access to our avatar, and I'm going to show you that now. If we come back to our avatars, you can see right here, the one that I just submitted is still generating and it has about a day remaining, but this is the avatar I generated yesterday, which will be the exact same. So let's go ahead and test out how this works. what you're gonna see at first is you're gonna see on the left-hand side, you could create certain scenes to actually generate a video for your AI avatar. As well as below your avatar, you're gonna actually see where you could type a script or upload an audio file. So let's go ahead and just test this out and write something. All right, so I wrote a script here, what I wanted to say, and what we want to do is let's actually go ahead and click generate here, and then we'll play around with this more to see kind of how we can customize it. All right, let's test that, generate, and let's let this thing build. This should take about 4 or 5 minutes. While that is loading, let's go ahead and talk pricing, because I know pricing is going to be a big question on this video. So here are the pricing plans. There is a free plan, a starter plan, a creator plan, and then there is an enterprise plan. So let's go through kind of all the details of this. So in the free plan, obviously it is $0 per month, no credit card required. There is 1 editor, 9 avatars, 2 stock personal avatars, which is basically the avatars that Synthesia already has. 36 minutes of video a year, which isn't much, but it's enough to test this out and see how it works exactly. And there's 140 plus languages and voices, 60 plus videos and templates, image and video uploads. Looks like there's a bunch of other features as well. We don't need to get into that. Moving on to the $18 per month plan. Starter plan, it is 1 editor and 3 guests. So if you have a team of people, you could have 3 guests on your account to actually help you build these videos yourself. You get 125 AI avatars, 3 personal avatars, you get 120 minutes of video per year. You get the AI avatar builder, the AI video assistant, personal avatars. Moving on to the creator, which is $64 a month. 1 editor and 5 guests. You get 180 AI avatars, 5 personal avatars, 360 minutes of video per year. You get custom fonts, branded video page, CTA on the video page. This all looks really cool, and I haven't used this enough to be able to test out how many different avatars I need or how many different minutes I need of this. But if you're, going to use this and create a bunch of content and you're going to make money from that content, it will probably make sense to go with the creator plan for $64 a month, which is 360 minutes of video per year, which is quite a lot. That's really cool. But here is a look at this. You could start with the free plan, see how you like it. You don't have to put your credit card down just to test this out yourself, which I suggest you should do because it is pretty mind-blowing seeing your AI avatar built. It's blown my mind. So feel free to try out the free plan. And if you need to upgrade, just work your way up and continue upgrading. Real quick, if you're not already subscribed, subscribe to the YouTube channel. This channel is AI for non-techies. So if you want to learn all about AI but aren't a technical person, this channel is perfect for you. So make sure to like the video and subscribe. It means a lot. Going back to the video that we tried to generate, it took about 3 minutes. Let's go ahead and look at what it gave us. Hey there, I am testing out the AI clone I just created. This is pretty damn cool if I am being honest. Is this gonna take my job as a YouTube creator? I don't know, but we will find out. Okay, so as you can see there, I actually went ahead and let it clone my voice as well. In the first clip you saw in this YouTube video, I uploaded an audio file and then used that on top of the AI avatar. So as you can see, this isn't as good with, the sounding of the voice. Personally, I like using my actual voice, just uploading an audio file, but this is cool that you have that option. Now I want to show you how you could actually add your own audio and it will actually use your real voice as opposed to the voice clone. So I'm going to come to our editor here and I'm going to delete all this text. All right, so I uploaded my audio file there. As you can see, we need to select the language we want it to speak in. We have all these options for it to speak in a different language, which is really cool if you want to create content for a different country. For example, if you speak German but you want to tap into the English market, you can actually clone your voice into that language, which is really cool. This is going to be awesome for creators. But let's click English and let's generate this and see what it sounds or see what it looks like now. All right, so this is going to take a couple minutes. Let's actually revisit this when it's done. All right, so that took about 5 minutes or so to come out with this output. Let's take a look at this. This video, it's about a minute of me talking. There are some spaces because it was me actually filming a video. So let's kind of look at what it looks like. I just built an app with AI with 0 coding experience in 10 minutes. Here's exactly how. 1, I used bolt.new to build the interface. I just typed what I wanted and it coded everything automatically. 2, I added SynthFlow to the AI voice assistant. Okay, so that looks pretty good. You can see at the beginning here, I'm like moving around. Let's look at this. I just built an app with AI with zero. So the reason I'm moving like that is because in the clip that I uploaded, I was actually moving. So if you want to create the best clip possible, you want it to be a video where you're sitting in one spot, you're not moving around, and you're speaking continuously. So that is why this doesn't look great. But let's look into the middle of this to kind of see what the rest of it looks like. I did everything automatically. 2, I added SynthFlow to the AI voice assistant, connected it to ChatGPT's. 2, added SynthFlow for the AI voice assistant, connected it to ChatGPT's advanced voice mode, and made it sound completely human. 3, I customized the AI consultant. I trained. Okay, so again, you could see these gestures here where I'm putting up these numbers. That's because in the actual video, I was doing that. So let's make some adjustments and actually edit this clip. Let's actually edit the original clip so that way there are none of these issues. So here's what we're gonna do. I actually recorded a 30-second recording of my voice, and I'm gonna add this. I'm gonna create the video with the avatar, but I also have the actual video of me speaking this out. So this is a video that I have of me actually speaking. Have you ever wished your web browser could think like ChatGPT? So basically it's a 25-second video of me talking to the camera or whatever, and I extracted that audio, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna upload it here, and I'm gonna have the avatar say the exact same thing with the same voice, but we're gonna test and compare what they look like. I'm gonna show you the AI avatar with that voice, and I'm gonna show you me with that actual voice. So let's compare here. So what I need to do is I have this audio clip here. Let's just drag that here. Confirm it. Okay, so I'm gonna take that audio file, I'm gonna upload it here, and I need to select the language. So let's obviously come down to English. And then what we're gonna do, we need to change the avatar back to my avatar that I created. And all I'm gonna do is come up here, click generate, and let's generate this. Again, this should be generated within a couple minutes and we'll come back. Okay, that took about 3 or 4 minutes. So let's actually listen to this and see what it looks like. Have you ever wished your web browser could think like ChatGPT? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to integrate the ChatGPT search extension, allowing you to use ChatGPT instead of Google in your browser. This is going to completely change the way we interact with the internet, and I don't think we even know it yet. 5 years from now, I think we'll look back on this as the turning point for AI adoption. Okay, that's pretty crazy. Again, it's got those kind of weird little things where it uses hand gestures. Next time I record, I'm gonna make sure not to use my hand gestures because I think that's kind of messing this up. But as far as like my head movement, my body movement, and the way my mouth is moving to the words, it is almost flawless. This is actually blowing my mind. The audio doesn't sound great because this is an actual audio file I recorded using my MacBook. I forgot to use my mic, so that's why it doesn't sound perfect. But guys, this is crazy. I hope you guys can understand how crazy this is. The fact that I'm able to build this and then have it make any content that I want it to make. I could write in any script here and have it say whatever I want. Obviously, it has to be appropriate. But I could then post this on all my social media channels, and I have content on autopilot. I could just hire somebody like a virtual assistant to come in here and build these for me, and I don't even have to look at my phone and I see videos posted. I have a friend in the AI creator space where he posts multiple Instagram reels every single day going over new AI tech and new AI tools, and he doesn't even film the videos. He has somebody on the back end using this platform to actually take the clone, build a video, and it gets posted. He doesn't even know that this video is created, and it's on autopilot. So there's some awesome opportunities that are going to come up if we could leverage this technology, and I really wanted to show you this in this video. All right, guys, so now you learned how to actually create your own AI influencer with AI generated video. This is pretty damn mind-blowing. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this. With that being said, I want to hand the outro over to my AI avatar. So this is the first time I've ever actually spoken in public. So thank you, Brock, for actually creating me with Synthesia. Thanks for letting me do the outro to this video. I appreciate you guys watching the channel. What do you guys think of me? Do you like the normal Brock more, or do you like the AI avatar Brock more? Choose me. I'm a bit biased, but I want to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments. See you guys in the next video.